What's up, you guys? Zeddy at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you 8 different ways you can make $50 a day online in 2019 straight from your phone. Alright, so each method I'm going to be going over I currently use on a daily and weekly basis. I will throw links in the description for each method, and if you have any questions, just feel free to hit me up below. Now, the first one I'm going to be getting into here is going to be playing real money poker on a poker app called Ignition. Now, I've been playing poker for the last 15 years, so I have some experience here, but right now, if you're in the US, they do $1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. That is real money you can play for. Cash outs are super fast on here. They have some of the best mobile software for real money games right now, and you know, I love it. You know, I've had a good 12 months on here. You know, I'm definitely up quite a bit. I only play cash games, but every once in a while I'll play one of those big tournaments on the weekend. But if you're not into poker, do not worry. I have some other really good methods for everybody, and this will definitely help you, you know, get to the point of making an easy 50 a day. You know, if you do things right, if you're not stupid and you put in like the work and practice to make it happen, because that's really what it's about. You know, you got to use your head, you got to get better, and you got to like just practice repetition, 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 and you'll get better at each method. All right, anyways, I'm going to move on past Ignition, but like I said, if you're into Texas Hold'em and you have a knack for it, you know, like myself, you know, definitely check them out because you can make some money there for sure. All right, so anyways, let's get on to the next method here, which is going to be stock trading on Robinhood. Now, everybody out there, I think, should definitely at some point get into, you know, stock trading, whether, you know, you want to just do it as like a long-term investment, or if you just want to do it as, you know, something where you try to make money with it, you know, on a weekly, daily, monthly basis. So right now, I'm just going to pull up my account. It's got a couple thousand in it. I don't have a ton of money here. For those of you not familiar with Robinhood, they're the #1 stock trading app on iOS and Android. And the reason that, you know, they're so popular is because there are 0 commissions on here, so there are no fees to use Robinhood. It's completely free. You can start with as little as $5. You know, over the last 12 months on here too, I've done really well. I've done somewhere around like 4,000 to 5,000, maybe even more at this point in profit. I will pull up my account history. I like to do that, but you can see over the last week, you know, I've done okay. You know, I haven't actively been trading, but I'm around 60 bucks, which is cool because I didn't really have to do anything. Typically when I'm buying and selling, you know, stocks, I don't hold them very long. It's usually for like a week. You know, sometimes a few days. Sometimes I'll hold it for a few weeks or a month, but typically I'm not like holding it very long. And I can go on about stock trading. I mean, I'm trying to simplify it for everybody, but just to show you my history, you know, I've actively bought and sold stuff. I do this pretty frequently, so I mean, you can see that, you know, I'm buying and selling, and like I said, over the last 12 months, I've done pretty well. I haven't really done too much as of late. I'm just getting back into it right now because I think things are going to go good for the rest of the year, and I have some stocks that I'm really looking at. But anyways, if you want to get into stock trading, you can do this from your phone. It's another method that, you know, can help you get to that, you know, $50 a day mark and more. I mean, especially when you get good at it, something that you can really start to crank out. All right, so I threw Acorns on this list. Now, Acorns is not gonna, you know, exactly, you know, help you, you know, make a $50 a day, but you can make 2 to 5% on your money with Acorns. So if you get the ball rolling on the first couple methods, you can start putting money in your Acorns account, and you'll make more money putting it into here than you will your checking or savings. So pretty much how Acorns works is, you know, you put recurring deposits in here, and they'll take your money and put it into low-risk mutual funds and ETFs. And what I've seen is you can make about 2 to 5% on your money. You'll just be better off, you know, with an Acorns account as opposed to putting your money in a bank, you know, checking or savings. You'll just make way more money. So it's almost a no-brainer. You can also opt in for roundups, which takes change to the nearest dollar on debit card transactions, and it'll put it in your Acorns account. So it's pretty cool. If anything, I would just look at Acorns as a really nice little savings account that's going to make you some money. All right, so the next way I'm going to be throwing in the mix here, and you can do this from your phone as well, is you know, checking out affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to be recommending this guy, John Crestani, because he is the man. I mean, he's got proven methods for how you can make money promoting things on the internet. You know, he's made millions of dollars. And I'm just gonna be honest, it's a lot easier to learn from somebody who's already done this as opposed to just trying to learn everything yourself, because you're gonna waste a lot of time trying to learn this why not just learn from somebody who knows what they're doing? And this guy knows what he's doing, which is exactly why I'm gonna recommend you check him out. I mean, you can learn more about him, but he's got a program called the Super Affiliate System, which is something you can like literally just watch on your phone, learn some of what he's got, and he's got a lot of different courses and materials and videos on here that'll teach you how to do it. But his name's John Crestani, he's the real deal, and that's why I'm gonna recommend him to you guys. All right, so the next couple apps I'm gonna be getting into is gonna be in the crypto realm. Now, a lot of people have made and lost money with the cryptocurrency. I think it's here to stay, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing, but over the last 12 months, I've definitely profited pretty well on here. Again, somewhere around like $4,000 I've done, and my method is to create an account on Coinbase, which is basically like a digital crypto wallet that over 20 million people are using. And I don't have any money in my account, but I always pull up my account history on here to show you that I've actually done this stuff, because I don't want anybody to think that I'm just saying I have. But you can see some of my transfers and withdrawals on here. I mean, I've actively been doing this. I've gotten pretty good at it, and the reason that I basically just use Coinbase as like a wallet. So that's where I keep my money. I transfer money in and out of my checking account through Coinbase, but I do all of my crypto trading on Binance. Now, Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world. This is where you want to be doing your actual trading. This is kind of like the stock market trading app of crypto. All right, so anyways, you know, once you have a Coinbase account, you can start transferring money into Binance, and you can start pulling up over 100 different coins. You can pull up different 24-hour price changes. You can pull up the last price. You can check out volumes, which is just a trading term showing the buying and selling happening. But basically, what I'm trying to say here is that, you know, the crypto market isn't going anywhere, and there's a lot of movement that happens like on a daily and weekly basis with some of these coins, and really that's your opportunity to make money. So if you wanted to, you know, transfer money from Coinbase into Binance, you could start buying some of these coins if you've researched them or you think they're going to move based on news or whatever, and you can make, you know, depending on how much you put in there, you can make a quick $50, $100, $150. On the flip side, you could lose that, but it's something that you need to practice at and get better at. And if anything, you could look at Binance and Coinbase is kind of like a couple of, you know, apps that'll help you invest in crypto in 2019, which would be cool so you can get into the crypto market. All right, Inbox Dollars. I love this app because, you know, it's also not going to make you rich, but it'll make you anywhere from $50 to $150 a month easy. You can see that, you know, I've got about $39 in this account, but you can do things on here like play games, you could watch videos, take surveys, but basically I just do the play games on here. I also refer it to people, which is an easy way to make some money with Inbox Dollars. But anyways, check them out because, like I said, you can make anywhere from, you know, $50 to $150 relatively easy. And, you know, every time I'm pulling this up, I'm always playing this stupid game, you know, called Pet Hop, because it is ridiculously fun. But this is just one of the games on here. So the more you play, the more you earn. And there are a lot of different ways to earn on here. And then, of course, you can get check withdrawals. You can get gift card withdrawals. I think they do PayPal withdrawals on here, too. So, I mean, there's a lot of ways you can get your money, you know, off of here. But anyways, it got squished right there. But check out Inbox Dollars. All right, so the last app I'm going to be showing everybody is another affiliate marketing, you know, app here. It's called Affilorama. Now, this is, you know, basically, you know, an app / site that will teach you more about affiliate marketing. They've got over 20 free video courses on here you can check out. So if you sign up with them, it's literally free to check out some of these courses. They've been around for quite a while now too, I think over 11 years. So Affilorama has got some great content if you want to learn affiliate marketing. And that's just a really good way to promote things on the internet and kind of get into the game, because I think a lot of people are trying to, you know, get into the game of trying to make money on the internet. And the biggest way people are doing it is through affiliate marketing. And John Crestani and Affilorama, if you put those two together, they're very powerful if you want to get into that. But otherwise, you can definitely make $50 a day with these other methods, even without them, but you can make way more than $50 a day with those too. So we've got Ignition, Real Money Poker app. It is my go-to. Robinhood stock trading. You know, those two together are really good. Obviously, Acorns, you can make a little bit of money there just by using it as a savings account. You know, you've got Coinbase and Binance, crypto, inbox dollars, 50 to 150 a month on there. And then, of course, the two, you know, apps where you can start learning, you know, affiliate marketing. And I recommend, you know, everything on here. So everything I've used and I've already checked out. So that is why I'm recommending it to everybody. I'll have links in the description if you want to sign up for any of this stuff. Hit me up below if you have any questions or comments. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see y'all later.